Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I want to talk about how to easily download, install the Python and the Pycharm code editor. So let's get started. First I talked about the two components of the Python, and it was the Python engine and the Pycharm for writing the codes. So let's get started working with the Python engine. If I come over here and open up my Google and search the Python, then get inside the python.org. This is the official website of the Python. And after that, come over here, and in this website I can easily download the latest version of the Python. If I come to the downloads, and here I have the different options for the Windows, Mac OS and all the platforms. Currently I want to work with the Windows, so this is my favorite one. You can also use the Mac OS and all the platforms. And after that, the latest version currently is Python 3.9.5. And remember, in the future, maybe this website changes and also you can see something like this. So don't worry about anything and just try to find the downloads. Then the Windows for the Windows operating system, the Mac for the Mac, and also the other platforms. So this is the Windows and the Python. Click on it. So my download is started and you can see it's on the progress. And don't forget, the latest version currently is 3.9.5. And remember, the version of the Python is not important matter because this course is about the basics and the fundamentals of the Python. And the version is not important matter. You can use this one or the higher versions. And after that, we need to use the next one, and it is the Pycharm. If you open up the Pycharm, then get inside the Pycharm official website. The Pycharm belongs to the JetBrains. So come over here and open up the Pycharm. And after that, let's try the download. And this is the download. Click on it. And remember, if this website in the future change, so don't worry about anything and just find the download. So in the download page, I have three options: the Windows, Mac OS, and the Linux. Currently, I want to work with the Windows, so select this one. Also, you can use the Mac OS and the Linux. So currently, we have two options: the Professional, that is the paid version, then the Community, and the Community is completely free version. So let's click on the download. My download is started, so let's be patient. I stopped the recording to start my tutorial. Stay with me. Welcome back. Everything is downloaded successfully, and if I come over here, so I have two files, the Python engine and the Pycharm. At the first step, we need to install the Python engine, so click on it. The installation of the Python engine is really simple and straightforward. I have different options: install now or customize. The best option currently is install now because it's really simple and straightforward. Also, I have other options here, and this is a really important and critical note. Add Python 3.9 to path. Don't forget to check this checkbox, then you can run the Python codes everywhere on your computer. So this is a really important matter. Don't forget to check this checkbox and click install now. After a couple of minutes, everything will be done. So let's be patient. Welcome back. Now my Python is successfully installed. Now click close. And the next step is installing my code editor, and it is the Pycharm. Currently I installed successfully the Python engine. So let's do it. Go over here, the Python and the Pycharm. Come to the next. And here we need to select the destination folder or installation folder. Let's leave it by default, and it is inside the program files, the JetBrains, and the Pycharm Community Edition inside my Windows folder. Come to the next. In this window, we have different options. First, do you want to create the desktop shortcut? Then, do you want to add the launcher directory to the path? It means, do you want to run your Pycharm launcher everywhere on your folders and the computer? So check this one. And this is a really important checkbox, so don't forget to check this. And after that, do you want to add the open folder as project in the context menu of your Windows? So check this. And create associations. If you check this checkbox, then you can easily use the Pycharm to open the .py files. This is the extension for the Python files. And if you check this checkbox, add open folder as project to your context menu, it means if I come over here, the installer will add some items over here or the right click context menu. Now let's go over here. Where are you? Great, this is, and the next. So install, and everything will be done after a couple of minutes. Stay with me. Welcome back. So the installation of the Pycharm is completed successfully, and I need to restart my computer. And it's really important matter. Don't forget to restart your computer before you start working with the Pycharm. So let's click finish. Now I successfully installed the Python engine and the Pycharm code editor. So the future is ready for me. Let's talk about how we can build our future in the upcoming tutorial. So start, I'm going to start downloading the Pycharm and the Python, and stay with me with my great upcoming tutorial about how to start working with the Python and the Pycharm. Thanks for your time.